morning everyone! Welcome again to our channel. Thank you so much for those who have
I've been working my knee sore. I've been searching for the curtain you can't draw.
Good morning everyone! Welcome again to our channel. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and we are very open to all your comments, any suggestions, anything na gusto nyong itanong sa amin. We are very much welcome, and for those who like our videos, thank you so much, and so mga nag-e-enjoy, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga positive comments na ibinigay ninyo. So as of now po, nandito tayo sa labas, kasama ko si Hubby. So actually yung vlog na ito gustong-gusto ko talagang gawin at the very first. Ito talaga yung vlog na gusto ko sana, kaso lang medyo maarte, walang time, busy. So since Sunday ngayon, I really take this time na magka one-on-one kami. So maaga kaming lumabas ng bahay, and then we have a short drive para lang magkaroon ng time, kasi pag nasa bahay, alam nyo naman yung mga bata, makukulit. So hindi kami nagkakaroon ng time na yung masolo yung isa't isa na mag-usap. So every time kumakatok ng pinto. So this time ang gagawin natin is magkakaroon tayo ng Q&A or a question and answer, para at least makilala nyo kami, yung relationship namin, kung ano kami as a couple, as a family, as a parent at the same time. So sa ngayon, nakapark muna tayo ngayon at hinihintay natin siya, at bumili lang ng kape kasi nga baka hindi nervyusin syempre, di ba? So once he's back, magsa-start tayo ng question and answer, and please, sa mga hindi pa po nagsasubscribe, please take time to subscribe po at manood ng mga videos namin. And gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers, dahil po sa tiwala, sa trust na ibinigay ninyo. Yung gusto ko lang is yung channel is magiging informative, magbigay ng information of what is interracial relationship is all about, and at the same time yung kung paano i-handle yung culture dito, since I am in India right now, and as a Filipino, syempre it is very open tayo na hindi ganun kadali, but as we go through, we will find out, and you will be with me also, para at least malaman ninyo kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan ko rin dito. So I've been here for almost since 2016, so almost 4 years this September now. So I'll be sharing with you my experiences, life experiences here in India, in Bombay, sa mga sa cultures, sa traditions nila, sa places, doon sa mga pinagpupuntahan namin. I'll be sharing everything to you in this vlog. So please stay tuned, and then I'll get back on you once dumating na siya. Bye! See you soon! So okay, as I promised, nandito na siya, at meron na siyang isang kape. Show them the coffee. He has a coffee now so that he will not get nervous, and I also have mine. So let me introduce to you my husband, who is very arte-arte. Charing! Hi! Say hi!
Hi.
So okay, so as promised earlier, we were going to do a question and answer, so that at least makilala nyo din kami, di ba? And we will going to take this time kasi medyo anong tawag dito? Parang mahirap kasi kunin yung time niya minsan eh. So
I don't have time, but something like.
Laging busy kasi sa girlfriend. My girlfriend kasi.
I won't get food, I won't get coffee, I won't get water to drink.
Yeah. So kailangan mo nang awayin.
Long woman.
So kailangan mo nang awayin para lang at least, alam mo yun, sabihin, okay then let's do it. Sasabihin niyang ganyan. Kasi parang naiirita na siya. So okay babe.
Yeah. Sydney.
Wait, I haven't started yet. I'm just checking if someone will going to see us
Are
here.
we smooching?
No! Stop it. Okay, first, I'll ask you a question and we'll both will answer also at the same time. Okay. Name. Your name so that they will know you.
Sydney Fernandez.
Okay. And I'm Christine.
To the world and to her, but actually my friends call me the walking ghost because I always walk.
Walk with what?
The ghost.
As a ghost. And I'm Christine. And how long we've been married?
It's the most difficult question.
What most difficult question?
Can't recollect the year, but I think approximately about 5 years.
Approximately. Okay, so we've been married since 2016.
Before that we were dating, right?
Yeah. And which part of India we live? Okay, I'll answer. We live in Mumbai. Okay? We live, we have 2 houses. So we live at first we live in my mother's-in-law's place, which is in Santa Cruz, Bacolod, Mumbai, Maharashtra, 400055. Complete. Okay?
She said we got 2 houses like now.
And one is
Navi
in Navi Mumbai. They call it New Mumbai. It's like little far from the city, but then
It's peaceful.
it's very peaceful and it's quiet place. And
Spacious.
sa mga susunod na vlog, we will going to show you that place also. Okay? So when did we met?
2006.
No, sorry, no, not 2006. I am not yet in Dubai.
7.
No, not yet. So early.
8, right?
2008 in Dubai.
Keep on guessing. Age
We, what?
catching. Age is catching up.
Of yours. Okay, so we met 2008 in Dubai and we are friends. Not so good friends, like casual friends only. And then after that we lost communication because he used to travel around the world. Like in the Mars, Jupiter, around the planet. He used to travel. And then we met again, or I mean like nagkaroon kami again ulit ng communication late 2014. Then yun na. After that.
After that,
So, okay,
I've not
have you
slept since
been after that hindi na siya nakakatulog. Okay. So have you been to my place?
yeah, quite a boring place. I didn't see anything. They say Philippines is
where
nice.
is it?
They say Philippines is nice. They say
Where
Bacolod is
it
nice.
is? Bacolod is nice.
But I've been to Victoria's house and back, bedroom, bathroom, galleries. That's it.
Okay.
To the mall Robinson, to the mall Bo Coffee, to the mall Bob's Cafe. I love Bob's. I like the mall so from there.
Okay, so I'll just make it clear, okay? Because they might think that you don't like Philippines. Okay, he likes Philippines. The only thing is, he was like, what do you call that? Not upset with me, but dahil kasi that time, ayoko yung lumalabas siya lagi. Takot ako kasi nga ibang lahi siya. So, yung sabi niya is always bedroom, bathroom, hall, yun lang. So, minsan pupunta lang ng Robinsons, at gustong-gusto niya yung Bob's. Okay? So, shout out sa Bob's in Robinson's Place, Bacolod. And that Bob's in front of
The hospital.
the hospital, sorry.
Pablo Torres.
Pablo Torres, Riverside. Sorry. Yeah. So he really likes Bob's place, especially the mulu soup. The mulu soup,
And the
sorry,
bread.
sa soup, yung soup.
And the
Yes,
bread.
and the breads. Yeah. Okay. So what was your first impression to me?
What you see is what you see can't believe actually. But, what is not what in reality the ground is very different. What you see is not that what you see. Now ask me after 5 years this question. It has
Okay, if you answer
changed,
proper, no, they might going
changed.
to think something wrong about me. See, someone is coming.
No,
Okay.
you need a medical treatment. That's it.
Huh? Just tell me your first impression of me, like when you see me,
I
how...
thought she was from Provinciano because I just like the Provinciano serial. Like, and then
Yeah, he likes Provinciano serial, even though... No, he understood. He
So I
understands
thought she
it.
was like that type of girl, like completely Provinciano, like doesn't know anything. Oh my god, but she knew more than that.
So he thought, because I came from Bacolod, so he thought that like it's a province. So he was thinking like I'm a bit like, naive, correct?
Yeah, little village type.
Yeah, that that quiet type, but he's wrong. Sorry, no return, no exchange. Okay, but if you're going to ask me my first impression on you, snob. Okay, so how is it to have a Filipino wife?
I heard Filipino wives are easy to get, but Ilonggo women are very difficult. So she's a Ilonggo. Oh my god, ask me about it.
Shout out to all Ilonggo women there. We Ilonggo women are very, very nice women.
Machete loving.
We are so
always,
sweet.
Always
Like,
in the fight as a machete.
Yeah. Like even we're
Always in
angry.
the fight as a gaga.
It's an expression only. But like every time we are angry, we are still sweet, right? Even if I'm angry, I'm still sweet.
It takes hours to
Like, babe, please.
take hours to get up.
Seems like you are regretting.
Not regret.
Parang nagsisisi.
That's why they asked you the first expression was not what it looked like.
Okay, so when did we get married?
Somewhere down in some years, 2016. We got married twice.
We
It was a task.
We got married twice.
It was a task.
We got married twice because first, 2016 of March, we get married in a civil ceremony.
In Manila.
Yeah, in Manila. It's a court wedding. It's a court marriage. And then March, April, May 16 again, we had a church wedding,
It's Roman Catholic.
a Roman Catholic wedding.
I'm a Catholic too.
Yeah, he's a Catholic, and we need to have a wedding. I mean, like a church wedding. Kasi nga, gusto ko lang i-explain sa inyo na hindi maiiwasan, di ba, yung culture nila. They're Catholic, pero syempre yung may tradition sila na kailangan for them kasi yung civil wedding is like it's a valid wedding. For us, really, it's a valid wedding, and even for them, it's a valid wedding. Pero kasi dahil nga talagang yung religion is,
It's valid for documentation for government related activities like
yes,
children admission,
and of course the family also gusto nila
passport.
talaga sa simbahan. Yes. And for them na parang pag nag-process ka ng mga papers at hindi church wedding yung papers ninyo,
That's
yung
the
marriage.
sacrament you got to follow on the seven sacraments.
So para sa kanila hindi so yun na lang, sinunod na lang namin, and we get married again the second time. It is in Philippines, okay? So we get married in Philippines twice.
Damn, we need a baboy na.
Yeah, may lechon baboy daw, sabi niya. Ayun.
Lechon.
Yeah, lechon baboy. Okay. And next. It's a very difficult task na, babe, na? Okay, so what is my worst habit?
When you get up in the morning, there's no sunshine in your face. Ask me.
Kasi, why?
So I can make that million times a day. When you see your face, even if I feel like I didn't do anything wrong. Actually, like,
Lagi niyang sinasabi that every time I get up in the morning is so he said every morning is like a suicide for him. Kasi yung mood ko every morning is hindi maganda, at sa parang sabi niya, ano nangyari? Anong problema? Masama panaginip or ano? So yun lang. So but then after that, later on it will become okay. Right?
after I make the coffee for her. not
Yeah,
she makes
after he made coffee
it.
for
Her
me.
mood is good.
Okay, so who is a better cook?
We both are.
We both are. Ting. So I cook well now.
Yeah, she can cook khichdi, dal, all Indian food.
Yeah, I can cook
all the
Indian
Filipino
food. I can cook Indian foods now. Whatever they like. I also cook Filipino foods for them, and also they like. So I don't have any problem with foods at all. In preparing foods, we don't have any problem. We all
My friends call me Gordon Ramsay because to impress me with the food is very difficult.
yes, he is very difficult to impress in everything. So I don't know why he get impressed on me.
You can ask Bob's about it, like when you go to Bacolod, any of the Bobs.
Yeah. Kasi suki kasi siya ng Bob's dati sa Bacolod. Kasi by that time kasi medyo hindi pa ako marunong magluto. I mean like yung simpleng luto pero but then ngayon okay na. Okay na ngayon. So okay. What do we argue most about?
She didn't understand what I want to tell her. She explains to me in what she wants to tell me. And there's a barrier in English. That's the American English, the British English. So what I'm talking is British English. What she talks is American English, completely slang. So when I ask a question, it's either yes or no. You take me down the bush and leave me on the same point again and again. That pisses me off. And this is what the argument is all about.
Yes. So minsan kasi syempre hindi natin maa-avoid, 'di ba, na kahit nga tayong Pilipino pa, kahit nag-uusap tayo ng the same language, we still argue. So kami ganun din. Like we communicate, we speak in English, but then minsan kasi yung words na ginagamit niya is British English at ako naman American English. So nagka-clash kami doon minsan. So ayun, still in the process of
British is very, very real. Example, the biggest example, like aubergine and brinjal.
yeah. So for example, okay, talong. Talong in Tagalog, okay? Or in Ilonggo, talong. So talong is in British is aubergine. In American English it's eggplant.
Yeah.
In India,
It's
in
called
their
brinjal.
language,
It's called brinjal.
in Hindi it's brinjal. So sometimes like take this eggplant. So if I'm going to use the word, what is that? But at least now we understand. So we're still in the process of, nasa process pa rin kami ng ganun, which is very normal. So it's okay. So meaning like we can still argue, right?
Yeah, just break your head someday.
Yeah, just break your head. Okay, proceed.
Yeah.
Not yet. Sino bored? Okay, who is more affectionate or romantic?
Me.
You? Yes, he is. I agree. And who is more outgoing? Me?
Yeah.
No.
I'm an introvert. Even this interview of a
Yeah, I am more outgoing. Like I am like more expressive compared to him. Oh, there's a bee outside. Yeah, I am more expressive than him. Yeah, he's a quiet person, but he talks a lot also.
No, I don't talk a lot.
He talks a lot to us, like, but if he doesn't know the person, he is really this one introvert type.
I don't have friends. I'm very difficult to get along.
Yeah, he is very. But
I love my Jeep.
Yeah, he loves his girlfriend. This Jeep. We're going to do in our next vlog. We're going to do a tour of his girlfriend. Okay, which is his Jeep. So ngayon nasabi ko na kung ano, it will not be a surprise. But then, but if you know him, then you will like him also at the same time. Okay naman kasi siya eh, mabait siya. So I don't have any
My
problem.
heart is like a big football.
Yeah,
ground.
his
Not
heart
place
is
to
like a
love.
football ground. So
Not
he can
place to
love,
love.
he can love anyone.
There's lots of place. Ping me.
Okay, last question.
Thank God.
No, not yet. Wait. Next question is use one word to describe me.
RK.
Arte. Okay, I'll describe you at the same time. Suplado.
Okay. Simo.
Suplado, same. So if I get angry, sometimes no, even for the kids, if I'm like really angry, no, I'm going to speak in Ilonggo. And by the time they don't understand, but kids get scared because they might be thinking like, oh shit, what happened to my mom?
Monsters, yeah.
She turned to be a monster. like. Okay, so let's going to end this question and answer. I hope marami kayong nakuha, nakilala nyo kami ng mabuti. But then, if you have any more questions
Regards to marriage.
with regards to anything,
Marriage,
like
paperwork.
marriage, paperworks on how we process our paper, what is our visa, what else,
Yeah.
on how to get married in Philippines.
Legally,
What legally?
Yeah,
If you want to get married in Philippines legally, what there is that illegally? No, sorry.
The civil way.
Okay, in a civil way, if you want to get married to a foreign national in Philippines,
Don't spend money. People are crooks out there.
yeah, there is. But then, like, okay, if you want to get married in Philippines in a civil wedding, in a civil ceremony, or in church to a foreign national, comment down below, and we will going to give you some tips on that based on our experience. Okay?
You should not face a hard way of spending your hard-earned money. over there.
Yeah, so at least hindi
It's a-
kayo
it's a simple process.
yung hindi kayo masyadong yung hindi magastos. Syempre alam niyo na sa ekonomiya sa mga nangyayari ngayon. So at least you can save at the same time.
Yeah.
So whatever your questions, whatever your concerns, please don't hesitate. You can comment down below and we will going to try to answer whatever it is. And I hope you enjoy this video. I hope na may natutunan kayo, nakilala nyo kami, and salamat, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And see you soon sa susunod naming video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we have a new video. So uuwi na kami ngayon, salamat, and see you to our next vlogs. Bye! Bye!
Bye. See ya.
Mwah.